So after you sign in on your own YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com, you want to make sure you are already purchasing at the very least the base plan of YouTube TV, and please do ensure that the subscription is still active because you cannot watch FIFA 2026 World Cup without having YouTube TV base plan. Although there are some matches that will be broadcast on the channel that require the NFL Red Zone plan. So from the homepage of YouTube TV, to purchase the base plan, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on the store icon. After that, on the networks and add-ons, you want to click on YouTube TV add-ons right here. And then you can click on next, then complete the purchase with debit card, credit card, or even your PayPal. And after you bought the YouTube TV base plan, usually right here on the homepage of YouTube TV, the World Cup FIFA will be recommended on your homepage. So just click on it on FIFA World Cup and then scroll down to watch the recent match by FIFA World Cup, while also checking the schedule and the standings. But if you don't get the 2026 FIFA World Cup on your homepage of YouTube TV, you can close this one and then go to your top right of your screen, but this time click on the search icon. And on the search bar, you want to search for FIFA and then choose the FIFA World Cup option right here with the link, which will open up the same page that we opened before this. And as you can see right here at the right side of your screen, FIFA World Cup actually only airs on some channels or network, like on Fox, Fox Soccer Plus, Telemundo, and so on. So you can always go straight to the specific channel. So for example, I want to watch the specific match on the Fox Soccer. So just close this one. And then on the search bar right here, just search for Fox Soccer. And then choose the Fox Soccer Plus option. And you may scroll down, and then on the live session, you can watch the match that will be available on the Fox Soccer Plus. Although, if you want to watch the match on this channel, you will have to pay for another network on YouTube TV, which is the NFL Red Zone Sports Plus. And that's it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.